Hello, my name is Noura, accounting and tax professional and the founder of Noura's Books. Today I'm just here to talk to you, to remind you about some deadlines approaching. Of course, all of us know that April 15 usually is the tax deadline. This year, you might already know it's going to be April 18, so we have like a couple more days to file the return. So make sure if you haven't filed yet to go ahead and file, or if you're not ready, get an extension. You must get an extension, and you must know also the extension is extension to file, not extension to pay. So if you expect to owe taxes, you must make a payment with your extension so you don't get interest and penalty. That's one thing. Another thing is what's due on April 18 is the first quarter estimated quarterly taxes. So if you expected to owe a payment in your business, tax payment, if you made a lot of money and you expected to owe a payment for taxes, then you must do an estimated taxes to avoid underpayment penalty at the end of the year when you file for your 2022 taxes. Also, if you are an independent contractor, your employer you don't really have an employer, so no one is deducting no one is withholding your tax return, your federal and state tax. So make sure you do that and you pay for your estimated payment. So if you need help with calculating and know how much you should pay in quarterly basis, you can reach out. Like I attached my calendar here, the link to my calendar, so you can book a time, or you can just like email me at noura@nourasbooks.com, or you can just DM me here or comment below so I can reach out to you. The estimated payment tax due in April 18, that is for the first quarter of the year 2022. Another thing is, if you are residing outside of the United States, for my friends who are expats, your deadline is June 15, which is great. So you have more time to file, but don't delay. Make sure to file as soon as possible. Also, if you have an outside account, an account in a different country, you must file FBAR. Not you must file FBAR. I'm getting that back. You must disclose that you have an account. But if you have more than, at any point of the year, 10,000 or more, then you must file FBAR. Or if you have more than one account, foreign account outside of the United States, then you have to collectively equal to 10,000 and more at any point of the year, then you have also to file FBAR. And if you need help with that, also reach out. I can help you with that as well. Last thing I want to talk about is nonprofits. If you haven't filed yet, and if your nonprofit is on calendar year, then make sure you are filing by May 15. Deadline is May 15. Nonprofits also get penalties and interest for not filing. You get penalties, really. So it will add up for a lot of money. So make sure you file. See what you can file, what you are qualified to file for, 990, the N-card, or the Easy, or the 990. See which one you have to file, and make sure you file it. If you are not ready to file, you also can get an extension. The extension would give you more time, 6 months time, so you can file. So make sure you go ahead and take care of what you need to take care of. So because if you are nonprofit and you didn't file for 3 consecutive years, you will automatically get your 501c3 status revoked. And if you get your status revoked once, you will stay in the record of the IRS, and anyone check that record will know that once upon a time that your nonprofit lost their tax exempt status, and that is not so good for your nonprofit, especially if you are seeking funding from big grants, so you don't want to do that. So make sure you file on time, or make an extension. If you need any help, please reach out. Don't hesitate to reach out at any time. Book free time for us to talk, or comment under this video, or send me a DM, and we will make sure to reach out to you. If you need to file an extension, we can help you with that too. Tax day again is April 18 for most of people. If you are an expat, it's June 15. If you are a nonprofit on calendar year, it's gonna be May 15. We can help you with all of that. Also, another thing you want to think about, if you got a big tax bill this year and you are not happy about it, feel free to reach out. We can help you to do tax planning to avoid a big tax bill. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.